AI is the best thing that ever happened to money making, and I'll prove you wrong if you think otherwise. Hello, howdy, what's up? My name is Lucas and welcome to Anibis's YouTube channel. I'll be your host and yeah, I mean it. AI is the best thing that ever happened to business. Technology has come so far that famous quote, work smarter, not harder, never made so much sense. You can do just so much things with AI these days that you have no idea of how much you're losing if you're not open-minded about the subject. Did you know there are AI tools that can perform outreach cold calls in your behalf, sounding absurdly human-like? Yeah, you'll be watching. I'll be showing you quite a lot today. Imagine this. A world where your sales team doesn't have to handle the boring, repetitive tasks. Instead, they can focus on fun stuff like their product, closing deals, and building real relationships with clients. It might sound like a dream, but it's closer to reality than most people think. Here, I'll show you when, how, and with what we can do all of this. Tools like Anibis can skyrocket your sales without burning out your whole sales team. Let's have a little talk about AI sales automation and how it can boost your revenue. And even for those who do not work with sales, here you see a sea of incredible information about the development of AI automation and how you can use something like this for personal projects. Before we get started though, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. You won't want to miss our upcoming videos, right? Right? So what exactly is AI sales automation? First, I must address the elephant in the room. AI will not take your job. AI is and will always be just a tool. It's something to power up whatever it's dealing with. So in our case here, at its core, it's like giving your sales team a superpower. No more drowning in repetitive tasks. AI is here to save the day and take care of the boring stuff, so your team can focus on the fun things, like closing deals and building relationships. You know, the part of the sales that makes you feel like a rock star. Just think about it. You know all those marketing salesy terms like lead generation, qualifying leads, sending out personalized emails, track engagement, follow-up, data analysis, yada yada yada. Those really are important steps. But for sales teams, those guys are super qualified in this one thing called selling. So naturally, this is a part of the sales job that usually doesn't interest most of them. AI automation tools like Anibis.io are here to help you solve that, letting your sales team focus on what they do best. That is, connecting with leads that matter, while AI does all the time-consuming legwork. But wait, there's more. AI also helps you sort through your contacts based on how interested they are and how they've been interacting with you. No more guessing who's hot or cold. The AI has got you covered. By the way, big hug for Katy Perry. It automatically categorizes everything. So instead of your sales team getting lost on a sea of leads, they're only going to be focusing on the leads much more likely to convert. It's basically like having a digital bouncer at the door, checking everyone's ID before letting them in. So your team isn't wasting time on people who are not interested at all. Instead, they're focusing on the ones who are ready to make a move. Again, to summarize, think of AI as a personal sales coach for your team. It not only helps them find the best contacts to talk to, but it also tells them when exactly to reach out again. Well, I believe that's the kind of assistant you want, right? One that makes your sales team look good, without all the stress. And boom, your sales team just got an AI-powered coach. Don't miss out, you can get yourself one too. Sign up for a demo with Anibis and watch them crush it, faster than you can say sales success. Now that's all fun and games, but how do we really use it to make more money? How does it actually help us? Let me share a little bit of each feature you can find in AI sales automation tools and how to use them. See, the beginning wasn't a clickbait, but spoiler alert, it's not magic, though it might as well be. Here's where it gets really smart. AI persona building. Let's use Anibis.io as an example. When setting it up, you tell your ideal customer profile, going through a fast series of questions. And with those answers, AI will automatically segment leads. And even if you don't feel like answering those questions, you have the option to auto-do it. The more you do it, the more the AI learns your preferences and know how to operate. Then it finds leads based on the data, interactions, and everything else, ensuring your team will only focus on the right people. No more guesswork, just targeted outreach. After having your persona, AI will generate and qualify your leads. Those are the contacts more likely to interact with you and your product. AI-powered tools like Anibis will do that for you automatically. It looks at behavior patterns, social media activity, and engagement to figure out who's more likely to buy from you. So of course, your team won't be wasting their time looking out for people who are not interested. Anibis sorts through the noise in minutes, letting your sales team, and that can be just you, focus only in the hottest leads. Now here's the thing that really sets Anibis.io apart. AI-powered phone calls. Yeah, that's right. You heard it right. I'll say it again. AI-powered phone calls. Anibis can make personalized outreach cold calls to your leads, tailored to their interest and engagement, talking to them just like a real person would. No more awkward, robotic voicemails. These calls build trust, engage, and even set up meetings for you. AI handles it all. And the best part, your sales reps don't have to do anything, just close the deals later.
Hello, this is Akash from Engine Hire speaking.
Hi Akash, this is Jane from Anybiz. I'm calling you about Engine Hire. Mind if I tell you the reason for my call? I promise to be brief. Thank
Sure.
you. Usually when talking with CEOs like you, they are looking for ways to streamline their sales processes and generate more meetings efficiently. Am I in the right direction?
Sure, yeah.
Great to hear that. At Anybiz, we help businesses like yours automate sales processes and generate meetings through AI-driven phone calls, emails, and LinkedIn outreach. This approach has helped companies enhance efficiency and save time. Does this sound like something that could be valuable for Engine Hire?
Possibly. Could you email me more information?
Of course, I'd be happy to send you more details by email. I'll include information about how we can help automate sales processes and enhance efficiency for Engine Hire. Would you like me to include anything specific in the email?
What about emails, you might ask? Today, when talking about AI sales automation tools, it doesn't send generic messages as we used to do in the 2000s. Let's use Anibis.io again as an example. You can personalize everything about how AI will behave when writing emails, from the language to the tone of voice and the email signature. Then it tailors every next email even more to fit your lead's behavior. And by the way, the same goes for LinkedIn messages. You set it up the same way you did for emails, but instead of outreaching there, it will go where people communicate the most when talking about business, LinkedIn. And the personalization is as good as it is for emails. After the outreach is done, we need to keep our contact engaged. AI automation tools like Anibis track engagement and automatically set reminders for you to follow up. It ensures no leads left behind, and everything stays on track without your sales team having to juggle around spreadsheets and calendars. If a lead opens an email but doesn't respond it, AI will automatically send a follow-up just at the right time, with a message that fits their interest. It's like having an email assistant that knows exactly when to chime in and what to say. One more control over timing and what's responded to, but you don't know exactly what to say? AI tools can also do that for you. With Anibis.io, you get AI-powered response suggestions to keep the conversation flowing. These are not like the other automated messages. They are tailored to each lead's action based on the conversations. Be it to email or LinkedIn, you can generate a message and send it or use it as a basis to develop it your way. The possibilities are endless. Now here's a hidden gem: social media automation. Some AI sales automation tools like Anibis can handle brand awareness for you by posting regularly in your social media channels. That way, growing your presence without compromising your sales team efforts. It schedules posts, shares updates, and keeps your brand active with zero effort from your part. Last but not least, let's talk about real-time analytics. This is where the magic happens. Only the best tools like Anibis is capable of tracking everything. We're talking about emails opened, phone calls answered, how long people are staying engaged, best performing personas, how many prospects reached, demos booked, and many other stats. But it doesn't stop there. It also shows you if your leads are engaging with you, positively or negatively, so you know exactly what's working and what needs a little tweaking. It's like having a wizard's crystal ball, except instead of seeing the future, you're seeing your sales team real-time success. And no guessing, just pure data-driven wizardry that lets you make smart decisions on the fly. Want to sit back, relax, and just let NBiz's AI handles all your calls, your cold emails, social media, and follow-ups? Sign up for demo today and let us show you how our AI can boost your revenue without breaking a sweat. So here's the bottom line. AI sales automation is not just about the future, it's the present. With NBiz.io, you can automate everything from lead generation and outreach to follow-ups and phone calls. All of that while keeping your messages personalized and tailored to your leads. But what if you're still scratching your head and thinking, okay, I get all this, but how can I use that in a real-world situation, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about next. You really thought I have forgotten the promise I've made you in the beginning of the video, right? Well, I didn't. In the next video, we're going to walk you through a real-life example of how you can set up your very own sales pipeline, all by yourself with NBiz.io. Whether you're a solopreneur or just starting out, I'll show you how to go from zero to hero, from lead generation to closing deals like a full-fledged sales team, all with the power of AI. Don't miss it. We'll be seeing how easy it is to get started and how you can scale your sales like a pro, even without a massive team. And on the other hand, how you that actually have a sales team can use the very same principles and pipelines to boost your sales team as never before. And before you go, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell so you won't miss out on our next video, where we'll show you how to turn AI sales tools into a powerhouse sales machine. That will do for today. Thank you so much. See you next video.